वो इस पे चढ़ती है तो बहुत डर लगता है क्योंकि
Throttle. Yeah. Yes. Brake. Yes. Turn.
So guys, we are taking new Tata Sierra IV for some off-road fun. Okay. This is our instructor Diljit. Right?
Yeah. On track. Yeah.
Okay.
No, not off track. On track. Yeah.
So this is the only option. I mean, there is no option. And also let me know when do I increase the speed.
Yeah. I'll
Okay.
do it, yeah.
So
No,
it will be
slow
just
down.
one lap.
Yes. No. Left. We need to go here. No. Brake. We need to go like this where the obstacles. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So just park behind the car
Okay.
and once.
Should I maintain some gap?
Yes. So
Okay.
once they complete one obstacle and then we go, and you can change the mode on the terrain knob. On
First, let me shift it to park mode.
Yeah,
So what do you recommend? Mud?
Mud and ruts. Yes.
Mud and ruts.
Yes.
How much time it takes to cover up all the activities?
25 to 30 minutes.
20. So the cameras will be rolling for another 20 minutes.
Yeah. 30 minutes. Easy.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
Should I start?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't have to really give the throttle on top of it. You can just let it roll, like it will roll on its own once you're on top.
So go left and then come up again on the seesaw. Go straight,
Brake,
left
keep
onto
brake.
the seesaw.
I said brake. A little, yeah, when you go down. Otherwise it will be too hard.
This is an axle twister.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, I will be talking to my viewers. Okay. तो देखो इस गाड़ी में ना क्वाड व्हील ड्राइव का सेटअप आता है, तो उसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए ये आर्टिकुलेशन दिखाया है, जो कि हर गाड़ी मतलब 2 व्हील ड्राइव आई मीन 4x2 तो नहीं कर सकती, बहुत स्ट्रगल करके या फिर यू हैव टू गेन सम मोमेंटम उसको करने के लिए.
Yeah. Keep it straight.
बहुत तेज करेंगे तो गाड़ी लग सकती है, सो वी हैव टू यूज सम ऑफ द मोमेंटम एंड क्वाइट इजी. आपको थोड़ा ये भी पता लग जाएगा कि गाड़ी के अंदर कैसा फील होता है, क्योंकि मेरा कोई कैमरामैन नहीं है तो बाहर से शॉट नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं किसी और गाड़ी के शॉट से लेके दिखा दूंगा आपको. ये है साइड एंगल गाड़ी को दिखाने के लिए, मतलब नज़दीक जाके मैं दिखाऊंगा. नॉर्मली गाड़ियाँ क्या करती है, टॉपल होने के चांसेस होते हैं, साइड रोल अराउंड 34-35 डिग्रीज, और ये गाड़ी हैंडल करती है 40 डिग्रीज तक. So this is in quad wheel drive all the times you are driving this car.
Yes.
There is no option to switch it to 4x2. Okay. और वहाँ पे जो सामने गाड़ी देख रहे हो सियरा है, उसमें ना बैटरी आर्मर शील्ड लगी है. काफ़ी ईवी ओनर्स को दिक्कत होती है कि यार हमारी गाड़ी में ना नीचे से लग गई, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो है वो नहीं कवरेज दे रही है, तो नीचे शील्ड आती है. लाइक एवरी अदर ऑफ रोडिंग कार आपको जैसे थार की मिलती है, वैसे इसमें प्रॉपर ना मेटल की शील्ड है. और ये वाली चीज़ ऐसी है कि आप लोगों को बहुत ईजी लगती होगी, लेकिन ये इतना ईजी नहीं होती है. जब गाड़ी इस पे चढ़ती है तो बहुत डर लगता है, क्योंकि आप
No, don't. Okay, so just keep the momentum.
Okay.
Continue giving throttle, and keep the same momentum and turn more to the left.
So
Okay,
this distance is enough.
Yeah. But keep the same throttle. Yeah. Yes. And turn to the left. Turn to left. Yes.
और ऐसी सिचुएशन में क्या होता है कि आप ड्राइवर भी ना खुद भी
left. Turn left. Yes. Turn left.
ओके डन. ये बहुत गजब की फीलिंग होती है. अगर मतलब काफ़ी बार क्या होता है कि साइड में बैठे लोग भी मतलब थोड़ा सा घबरा जाते हैं इस चीज़ से. ये ऐसी होती है, मैंने तो एक्सपीरियंस करी है, मुझे पता है. कभी थार में होता है, मैंने ये मैजेस्टर में भी किया था. बहुत सही चीज़ है वो. दिस इज रॉक बेड. थोड़ा सस्पेंशन का जो FDD सस्पेंशन है, थोड़ा बहुत उसका पता लगता है, हालांकि इसको तो कोई भी नॉर्मल गाड़ी कर लेती है. बस ऐसा है कि कुछ डालना था तो ये वाला डाल दिया. एंड ओके. Now we'll do one thing. We will switch on its 540 degree camera.
Yeah.
Okay. So settings, and this is SVS convenience setting, and this transparent view activated. Car animation. Okay. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि गाड़ी के नीचे जो भी चल रहा है, गाड़ी एक ट्रांसपेरेंट बॉडी की तरह भी एक्ट करती है, और अब आपको नीचे का पूरा दिख रहा है.
here, when you go straight, and then when,
Turn left.
Yeah, completely left, and then when you go down, keep your foot on the brakes. Yeah, wait. Yeah, completely left, full turn to the left, and now keep the brakes.
A little foot on the brakes.
Yes, and then brake.
We need to gain some momentum.
Yes.
नीचे जो आवाज आ रही है थोड़ा सा गाड़ी टच हो रही है नीचे से.
Okay, on this,
Hmm.
you keep your car to the left,
Hmm.
and then you climb up,
Right.
angling towards the right,
Hmm.
and then go down to the left.
Okay. So when do I start steering to the left? Just when the car goes down?
When you're exactly on top, like, so basically when you're on top, when it's hanging, and then when it leans down, turn
Extreme left or like?
left. You can turn like maybe 20.
As per the requirement.
Yes, 30%. 30% is enough to the left. But then the most important thing is to keep the throttle constant.
Okay.
Yeah, if you stop it in between, it gets stuck.
Following zone 2.
Yes. Yeah. Now turn left. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now turn left. Yes.
Oh. So गाड़ी का ground clearance है 205 mm and this was quite fun.
We are not doing this because it's rained.
No worries.
Yeah.
So that metal ramp is slippery.
Yeah. Because the tires will not stay gripped. Go straight and then do this.
So what's left now?
Now we need to do the seesaw.
Okay.
We're going to the seesaw.
Quite easy, huh?
I mean, with this car, yes.
देखो quad wheel drive का गाड़ी में
Yeah, go.
ओके quad wheel drive का फायदा है गाड़ी में, बट कई बार इतने ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस के साथ ना गाड़ी थोड़ी सी टच होती है तो इसमें आर्मर शील्ड लगाना ज़रूरी है. Why did he stop there?
No, so you can't continually going there because you need to get the momentum, like you need to let the car do the balance. So some people try to balance it like you know, to stay as much as balanced, but sometimes like as you feel like the car is just going down, just keep your
Hit
foot
the
on
brake
brakes.
pedal.
But anyway, when we fall down, it'll be like a thud. Like it does that.
I love
But
that
then
thing.
That balancing thing, yeah. Only 2 people did like that
Excited.
in the last 2 days. Yeah. Keep it straight. Left. Keep it a little left. Yes. Okay. Yeah, brake. A little throttle. A little. Very little. Yes, that was a bit too much. That was a bit too much. Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, now this one is scary. Not scary, but yeah, this is tough.
No,
I can
you
do that.
Keep it to the right.
Yeah, I will.
Yes. Okay, continue.
Zone
Yeah.
1.
No, turn right. And same like that. Keep the momentum. Don't stop the momentum.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Turn right. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. Full right. Start. Full turn. Full turn. Full turn. Yes. Yes. Turn.
Sorry, next time.
No.
उसने हाथ ऐसे.
It's like that.
Okay.
Go back. It was a U-turn. Straight. You can get wrong. Like.
Because now it will not go back.
Yeah.
He just waved a hand like this, come to the left. So I turned to the left. So now
Now take a left. No, wait.
I'll go take that
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming for the next briefing.
Yeah, to the left.
Rachel.
Channel 6, please.
Keep it to the right a little bit. Yes. Good.
Very little right.
Yeah. Q25 exiting zone 2.
So we always take the turn without acceleration, right?
Yes, that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I was just I have driven MG Cyberster on BIC,
Uh-huh.
Buddha International Circuit.
Mhm.
So that instructor told me that whenever you are taking a turn,
Mhm.
do not hit the accelerator pedal.
No, you
Is
can,
it so?
No, you can give accelerator pedal, but
Hmm.
it depends like how much you give and like you know how you give the.
Hmm. So he said when the turn is over, now you can hit the accelerator pedal.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I'm new.
Into zone 3.
Maybe I'm new to all this. That's why he said this.
Yeah,
Because
yeah, probably.
I
Yeah,
won't be
yeah,
able to
yeah,
handle the car.
Yeah, that flag, the first one.
So now we will check Tata Sierra EV 0 to 100 test.
Okay, now you if you want you can say that again.
No worries. So we'll
Yeah.
check who is coming.
No,
Okay.
it doesn't matter.
So we will check Tata Sierra EV 0 to 100. Done?
Yeah. Now you brake. 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 Yeah.
Q03 entering zone 2.
And when are we checking 100 to 0?
Now you stop next to the green.
Okay,
Center.
okay.
Yeah. And press the brakes. Stop. Go to a standstill. Now you press the boost mode. Yes. So now.
So why didn't we check 0 to 100 in boost mode?
That's right. So, I mean, that is. We
yeah.
can check it now also because it goes to.
Yeah,
zero.
if it's I know I want to do it again.
Yeah.
And in the same line we have to check 100 to 0, right?
Yeah.
Or after the turn?
No,
Or before the turn only?
So basically, you can say 0 to 100 now, and then
100 to 0.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll check Tata Sierra .EV 0 to 100 test and 100 to 0 2. In the same video. Done.
Yeah, brake.
Quite good.
Yeah.
सही है. All stable.
You can turn the boost off.
Okay.
Right.
And it's slippery also, like it just
Yeah.
rained. So tires will lose the traction. So I think we are going to that slush part.
No, we have a sand part.
Oh,
on the
nice.
other side. Like.
तो अभी यहाँ जाएंगे.
Yeah, we go like on the other side,
हम्म.
and you need to go through this. Slow down. Left and then right.
Okay,
It's
okay,
like,
okay,
Like
okay.
a straight. Slow. Yeah.
What's so special in this area?
Only the sand.
Brand कुछ भी करवा रही है, कुछ भी. Another articulation part, axle twister was okay.
Yeah.
ये सब तो normal चीज़ है. Any car can do this with momentum. So much of setting to switch to that transparent mode. I think there should be dedicated button.
Yeah.
But we don't need this, do we?
No, you can check this off-road assist in this.
Okay, so it will hold the lower speed.
Yeah, you can change it to mud and rust.
तो अभी अपने आप चढ़ेगी. So it will crawl on its own.
That's how it used to do.
It should
but
be.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't because sometimes it doesn't get activated.
तो ये अभी टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इसका ऑफ रोड असिस्ट मोड है कि मतलब लगभग बहुत कम स्पीड. देखो गाड़ी में क्रॉल मोड भी नहीं कह सकते. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग द एक्सीलरेटर पेडल बट नाउ इट्स स्ट्रगलिंग बट मूविंग, स्टिल मूविंग. अभी देख आप रुक गई. नाउ आई हैव टू. But I think it should stop. If it is not crawling forward, it should stop then and there. But it rolled back. If I'm not using the brake pedal, suppose my feet are, just near the seat and the car just rolled back.
Left.
Okay.
Yeah.
नीचे टच कर रही है घास.
And then over here, you change it to city mode. To the normal mode, left. Yes. Now, just drive it in the city mode.
Hmm.
Go there and brake,
Hmm.
so it gets stuck.
Hmm.
As in, like, it won't get stuck. It gets digged
Yeah.
in a
Just to
little bit.
pretend it's stuck.
Yeah, it's like, you know, it get digged in a little bit,
Hmm.
and then as you can see, like that.
Switch it to mud mode.
No, switch it to sand mode.
Yeah, sand.
Yeah.
So just to feel the experience that
Yes,
in
what
city
is the
mode, in normal mode, it will
Yes.
be stuck. But when you switch it to sand
No,
mode,
even if it's in city mode, it does go. But then
I
with
know,
a
just
little, with a little struggle. But then
just to
with
create that scenario that it got stuck. Let's say, let's assume.
Yeah.
In that case, we have to go slow.
No, you can go fast and brake.
Brake.
Yeah.
I'll do that only.
See, now when you're in city mode,
Hmm.
it intend to, you know, dig a little bit of the
Mhm.
sand.
So these modes just play with the traction control system
Yes,
only. I think
yes.
that's only one thing.
Yeah.
Should we go?
Yeah. Yeah, brake. Yeah. And now, try to don't switch the mode.
Okay.
Try
Okay.
to take
Okay.
it
Okay.
in
In
city
our own
mode
mode.
a little bit. You feel how it goes.
It's struggling.
Yeah. I mean, you can still take it.
Yeah,
It
I know.
does.
I
Yeah.
I can.
See, it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, now reverse it. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Yeah. Now you go forward and brake again. Brake. Yeah. Now it's gone down.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now put it on sand mode.
Snow, grass. This
One
is
more.
mud ruts.
Yeah, this one.
This is sand.
Yeah.
Still doing the same thing. No, I didn't feel any difference.
didn't
To be
feel
honest,
anything?
I know what does it do.
Just go and park where those blue cars are parked.
Okay.
Yeah. Enough. So I'll be dropping you here.
Hmm.
Be heading back to the base.
Okay. Should I get out of the car? I
Yeah.
mean, I will be waiting for my turn, right?
Yes.
Just go further up and then around the car.
Okay.
Go left, yeah, full left. And then we go around the guy and then left again.
Okay. There is some noise. I think there is something stuck between the
Left.
tire.
No, it's absolutely normal. Don't worry.
No. I heard some noise.
That's all right. So we go left.
Should we keep the wipers on continuously?
Yes, please, go for it. Go left.
Are you gonna instruct me something?
Yes,
or
so
should I?
this is the mud and dirt mode that I put it in. It's also the one we want you to experience, like how a muddy situation and a rutty situation behaves.
Hmm.
So a couple of things that we stay away from the wall, the pole and the fencing.
Okay.
This corner is slightly loose, so please don't carry too much speed on because it's going to pull you towards the wall.
Hmm.
Just do a sighting lap first, and then you can change your modes and different terrain selector over there.
Hmm.
Alright, you can see
Is it?
what
It's
you-
already in mud and rut.
It's already in mud and dirt right now, so you can try different things and then see how it works for you.
Oh shit.
Okay. Done. Full right. If you want to change your modes, you can do them right now and see if
What's the best mode after this?
I don't think there's anything. This is actually the one which I personally prefer. But
Should I shift it to hyper, like that boost mode?
you can, but that kills out too much traction. But why
I
not
know.
try it. Turn. Okay. Whenever you want to exit, we can exit from there.
One more mode to round.
sure.
Okay. This is not smooth. That's why I'm not able to enjoy this thing.
Okay, so our main objective is to show you what slushy and
know.
rat mode is.
ये चीज़ मुझे पता है, I love this thing. No, this is not good. I think I'm done.
Okay, so we'll
Not
go straight and then right from there. Right. Right, full right, full right, full right, full right, full right. Okay, we stop somewhere up there. Go up further, and we stop here. Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
But, just be careful when you step on it. Don't
Yeah. Would you please hand me over the bag?
Sure.